How to get more results from social media marketing. Dive into the digital world where likes, shares, and tweets are the currency of success. Social media marketing isn't just about being present, it's about making an impact. But how do you turn posts into profits and likes into leads? Let's unlock the secrets to getting more results from your social media efforts. Timing is everything. Your audience's attention is a moving target, and hitting the bullseye means knowing when they're most likely to engage. Analyze your past social media performance to discover the golden hours for your posts. With a schedule in hand, consistency becomes your ally in the battle for online presence. Content reigns supreme in the kingdom of social media. It's not just about what you post, but how it resonates with your audience. Do they crave videos, infographics, or quick tips? Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should add value, while only 20% should promote your products. Engagement is the name of the game, and your content is the key player. Juggling multiple platforms can be a daunting task. Simplify your strategy with third-party tools that allow you to manage all your accounts from one dashboard. Schedule posts, engage with followers, and monitor your brand's reputation, all with a few clicks. But tread carefully. Some platforms favor direct interaction, so balance is crucial. Set clear, measurable goals to track your social media success. From increasing brand awareness to driving website traffic, generating leads, boosting engagement, and building a community, each goal should have specific metrics to gauge your performance. Tools like Google Analytics can be invaluable in this quest. In the end, social media marketing is a delicate dance of strategy, timing, and content. Are you ready to step up your game and see tangible results? Share your journey with us, and let's grow together in this ever-evolving digital landscape. Share this knowledge, and let's transform potential into progress. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.